Hello, today we will guide you through how to edit Reels in Meta Business Suite. To begin, open Meta Business Suite in your browser and make sure you're on the correct business account and page where the reel was originally published. Starting in the right workspace is important because it ensures you're viewing the correct content library and editing the right post. Once you're inside Meta Business Suite, look to the main navigation area and click on Content. This section is where your published and scheduled posts are organized, including Reels. If you manage a lot of content, take a moment to scan the list carefully so you can locate the specific reel you want to update. Moving slowly here can help you avoid opening the wrong post by mistake. After you find your reel, look beside that post for the three-dot menu. Click those three dots to open the post options. This menu gives you access to additional actions for that specific piece of content. If you don't immediately see the option you need, make sure you're selecting the menu next to the correct reel and not another post in the list. From there, hover over Manage Post, then choose Edit Post. This will open the editing view for your reel. Depending on your account setup or the type of reel, the screen may look slightly different, but the goal is the same: to access the editable details connected to that post. If the menu takes a second to appear, just pause briefly and keep your cursor steady. Once the edit screen opens, follow the on-screen procedure to fill out the available information and then publish your changes. At this stage, Meta Business Suite will guide you through the fields that can be updated. Review everything carefully before publishing, especially text, settings, and any visible details attached to the reel. It's a good idea to read through your updates one more time before confirming, just to make sure everything looks the way you want. When you're ready, publish the updated version of the post. After that, you may want to quickly check the reel in your content list to confirm the changes were applied successfully. If something doesn't look right, simply reopen the post and review the available edit options again. That's it. You've now gone through the process of editing a reel in Meta Business Suite, from opening the content library to updating the post and publishing your changes.